In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Perplexity AI browser extension when it's not working. If Perplexity isn't showing up where it usually does, or it seems unresponsive, don't worry. This walkthrough will get you back on track quickly and safely. First, let's confirm the extension is actually enabled. Open your browser and look for the extensions icon in the toolbar. It often looks like a small puzzle piece. Click it, then choose Manage Extensions. This opens your browser's extension dashboard where you can see everything that's installed. Find Perplexity AI in the list and check the toggle beside it. If the toggle is off, switch it on. Some browsers show a gray switch when it's off and a colored one when it's on. As soon as you enable it, refresh the page you're using so the extension can reload. A quick refresh helps the browser register that change immediately, and you'll often see Perplexity appear right away if the toggle was the only issue. If Perplexity still isn't appearing, try a simple reset. Reload the tab where you expect to see Perplexity. Use the refresh button or press F5. If that doesn't help, fully close and reopen your browser. Make sure you actually quit the application, not just close a single window. A full restart clears out temporary glitches and resets the extension environment. When the browser opens again, return to the same page and test Perplexity. You'd be surprised how often a clean restart resolves odd behavior without further troubleshooting. If none of that works, reinstalling the extension is a reliable fix. Go back to your browser's extension settings and remove or uninstall Perplexity AI. Confirm the removal when prompted. Then visit the official Perplexity website or the Chrome Web Store and reinstall Perplexity AI from scratch. Click Add to Chrome or the equivalent button for your browser and follow the on-screen steps to complete installation. Once it's installed, reload the page you're working on so the extension can initialize. During reinstall, your browser might ask for permissions. Allow them so the extension can operate properly. After the reinstall and a quick refresh, test Perplexity again. It should now load cleanly with a fresh configuration. That's it. We verified the extension is enabled, refreshed and restarted the browser to clear temporary issues, and reinstalled only if needed. Keep these steps handy. Most extension hiccups can be resolved with this simple sequence. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get Perplexity AI working smoothly again.